The aircraft is derived from the South Korean T-50 Golden Eagle family. Powered by a single General Electric.
The FA-50PH Fighting Eagle has become a cornerstone of the Philippine Air Force's modernization and tactical capability, evolving from a basic light attack and advanced trainer into a more capable multirole combat aircraft that underpins Manila's defense strategy in the increasingly contested Indo-Pacific region. Originally acquired under the Philippines AFP modernization program when the first 12 aircraft were delivered from 2015 to 2017, the FA-50PH fleet has since seen its operational status restored after a grounding order in 2025 was lifted, bringing all remaining jets back to full airworthiness and mission capability following investigations into a crash that resulted in the loss of one aircraft earlier that year. What began as an interim fighter platform to fill the gap left by the retirement of the Philippine Air Force's older F-5A-B jets has steadily matured into a force element whose growth is now being actively prioritized in national defense planning. The aircraft itself is derived from the South Korean T-50 Golden Eagle family, developed by Korea Aerospace Industries, (KAI), in cooperation with Lockheed Martin. The T-50 airframe was conceived in the late 1990s as a supersonic advanced trainer with fly-by-wire controls, carrying a tandem seating arrangement and powered by a single General Electric F404 GE102 turbofan engine with afterburner, enabling speeds up to Mach 1.5 and an operational ceiling near 14.8 na kilometro. The FA-50 variant adapted this basic trainer into a light combat aircraft with a robust avionics suite, digital flight systems, and weapons control systems capable of integrating a wide range of munitions for both air-to-air and air-to-ground missions. It employs lightweight composite materials, an S-shaped intake designed for reduced radar signature, and equipment such as radar warning receivers and network-centric datalinks to enhance survivability and situational awareness. Typical armament includes AIM-9 Sidewinder short-range air-to-air missiles, AGM-65 Maverick air-to-ground missiles, precision-guided bombs such as JDAM, and an internal 20mm cannon for close engagements. Under the Philippine Air Force's Flight Plan 2028 and Broader Horizon 3 Modernization Framework, the FA-50PH's role has been redefined and expanded beyond basic attack missions to encompass more advanced combat and deterrence functions. Recent contracts with KAI illustrate this shift, including a significant $700 million agreement signed in June 2025 to procure 12 additional FA-50PH aircraft in an upgraded configuration that doubles the PAF's FA-50 fleet from 12 to 24 jets and establishes a second operational fighter squadron. These new jets, often referred to in reporting as Block 20 or Block 70 variants, are slated for phase delivery between 2026 and 2030 and represent the latest evolution of the Fighting Eagle platform. The enhancements embedded in these new airframes are designed to amplify the PAF's defensive and offensive reach, integrating features previously absent in the initial batches. Among the most significant technical upgrades in the new FA-50PH version is the addition of aerial refueling capability via a telescopic probe system developed by Cobham Mission Systems, which extends the aircraft's range and operational endurance. This is a notable advancement, as it allows the jets to undertake longer patrols and reach distant areas of interest without needing to land for fuel as frequently, bolstering the PAF's ability to project air power over the vast maritime domains of the Philippines. The aircraft will also be equipped with an active electronically scanned array, AESA radar, a modern sensor that dramatically improves target detection and tracking performance over the legacy mechanically scanned radars. AESA systems offer faster scan rates, improved resistance to electronic countermeasures, and enhanced situational awareness, providing FA-50PH pilots with a clearer tactical picture in contested environments. The Block 20 configuration also brings expanded weapon compatibility beyond the initial loadouts, enabling the FA-50PH to employ a wider array of advanced munitions for both air-to-air and air-to-ground roles. Reports indicate that these include modern precision weapons such as GBU-38 JDAM kits and AIM-9X missiles, with the potential for future integration of beyond visual range (BVR) systems and even cruise missile compatibility, such as with the Taurus KEPD-350K2, which has an extended strike range up to several hundred kilometers. This capacity significantly increases the PAF's ability to conduct strike operations at greater distances while maintaining tactical surprise and reducing exposure to enemy air defenses. In addition to procurement of new airframes, the Philippines is also investing in sustaining and upgrading its existing FA-50PH fleet. Plans under the Horizon 3 initiative include enhancements to avionics, targeting systems, and potentially the radar, as well as the integration of advanced targeting pods like the Lockheed Martin Sniper or Lightning pods, which support high-precision engagements and improved reconnaissance capabilities. Additional upgrades contemplated in defense budgets include improved radar systems to facilitate BVR missile employment, external fuel tanks to maximize range, and bolstered electronic warfare suites to cope with modern battlefield threats. Support and logistics for the FA-50PH fleet have also advanced, with South Korea Sky poised to secure performance-based logistics (PBL) contracts that establish long-term maintenance, inventory management, and training support beyond initial deliveries. These contracts mark a maturation of the defense cooperation between the Philippines and Korea and reflect a focus on ensuring high aircraft availability and mission readiness over the FA-50's life cycle. The PBL arrangement is positioned to reduce overall operating costs while ensuring consistent support through scheduled maintenance and timely spare parts provisioning, an important factor for sustaining an active combat fleet. Strategically, the FA-50PH has transitioned from a stopgap measure to a core component of the Philippines' air defense posture. With its supersonic capabilities, versatile weapons loadout, modern sensors, and interoperability potential with allied systems, the Fighting Eagle enhances the PAF's flexibility to respond to a spectrum of scenarios from territorial defense to maritime interdiction and joint operations with partner forces. It bridges the gap between basic training aircraft and higher-end fourth-generation fighters, offering a cost-effective yet potent platform for a nation balancing defense needs with budget constraints. Its continued procurement and modernization indicate Manila's commitment to building a credible deterrent and maintaining sovereign control over its airspace. Looking ahead, the FA-50PH's evolution could involve further capability enhancements or future transition to even more advanced platforms as the PAF pursues broader modernization goals. There is ongoing discussion domestically regarding prospective acquisitions such as the more capable KF-21 Boracay or other Apat Tuldok 5 Gitling GE and ER-ATION fighters, which may eventually supplement or succeed the FA-50PH in the force structure while ensuring the Philippines remains prepared for emerging security challenges. The FA-50PH's role in this transitional phase will likely remain significant, providing a proven, adaptable, and steadily improving aerial combat capability for the Philippine Air Force in the